Hi everyone! For those of you who've made ramen pork using your Instant Pot, you will know that oftentimes it leaves like a burnt crust at the bottom of your Instant Pot. In one of my videos, I showed you how to clean a stainless steel pot using lemons. And I'm going to show you how you can do very similar things using your Instant Pot. Just for reference, this is what happened to my Instant Pot after I make the ramen pork. So this is what happened to my pot. Hope you can relate. In any case, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to pour some water, especially enough to cover the part that I really want to get clean. So it's roughly about, I don't know, maybe like 3 cups of water. But it's going to be different for each of the occasions or incidents. So I'm going to put some lemon slices. Next is I'm going to put the lid back on. Make sure the steam, this thing is, in the steam mode. And then I'm going to heat steam, and I'm going to put about 13 minutes on the clock under high pressure. But I don't necessarily think the pressure makes a world of difference, whether it be low pressure, medium pressure, high pressure. But I'm going to put high pressure though. And we'll see what happens. Let's see how it goes. Oh. Or the liquid. I wouldn't call it water, but this is what it looks like right now. Let me do a quick rinse. Pretty awesome because it peels right off. You see how it's rough? All I hope is this is the rough the side. Oops. So I only have a little bit of water in here. A sponge. A regular sponge. And I am using the slightly abrasive side to gently scrub the stain, the stuff that just gets built up and crusted on. And voila! I barely had to do anything, and it comes completely. It's okay, it's not that hot. Yeah. There you go, it's completely clean. Ta-da!